Hello friends, in today's video, we are going to compare WWE legendary wrestler CM Punk and popular wrestler Drew McIntyre. In this video, we will cover 214 special moments from both of their wrestler lifestyles and wrestling career. This video is going to be very detailed and informative, so let's get started. WWE superstar CM Punk real name is Philip Jack Brooks, while CM Punk is just his ring name. WWE legendary wrestler Drew McIntyre real name is Andrew McLean Galway, while Drew McIntyre is just his ring name. CM Punk was born on 26 October 1978. Drew McIntyre was born on 6 June 1985. CM Punk ages 45 years old in 2024. Drew McIntyre ages 39 years old in 2024. CM Punk birthplace is Chicago, Illinois, United States. Drew McIntyre birthplace is Ayr, United Kingdom. CM Punk nationality is American. Drew McIntyre nationality is British. CM Punk resides in the United States of America. Drew McIntyre also resides in the United States of America. CM Punk's father is an engineer architect. There is no photo or other information available about him on the internet. Drew McIntyre's father name is Andrew Galway Sr. CM Punk's mother name is Demi Brooks and she is a housewife. Drew McIntyre's mother name is Angela Annie Galway. She passed away from cancer on 3rd November 2012. CM Punk has three brothers named Mike Brooks, Sean Brooks, and Alan Brooks. Drew McIntyre has only one brother named James Galway. CM Punk has two sisters named Charlene Brooks and Savannah Brooks. Drew McIntyre has no sister. Before his marriage, CM Punk was in a relationship with 5 women. Their names are Mickie James, Maria Kanellis, Kelly Kelly, Lita, and Beth Phoenix. In 2010, Drew McIntyre married WWE wrestler Taryn Terrell, but they divorced in 2011. After that, Drew McIntyre did not enter into a relationship with any other woman for several years. CM Punk's wife's name is AJ Mendes, who is a former WWE wrestler. Drew McIntyre's wife's name is Kathleen Fornefeld, who is a doctor. CM Punk married AJ Mendes on 13 June 2014. Drew McIntyre married Kathleen Fornefeld on 10 December 2016. CM Punk and AJ Mendes have been married for the past 10 years. Drew McIntyre and Kathleen Fornefeld has been together as a couple for the past 8 years. CM Punk has 2 daughters and 2 sons. Drew McIntyre has no children. This is a complete family photograph of CM Punk. This is a complete family photograph of Drew McIntyre. CM Punk completed his schooling at Lockport Township High School. Drew McIntyre completed his schooling at Prestwick Academy School. CM Punk only completed up to 12th standard and does not have any higher degree. Drew McIntyre completed his degree in criminology from Glasgow Caledonian University. Before wrestling, CM Punk was part of a rock music band with his friend where he played the guitar. Before his wrestling career, Drew McIntyre was involved in modeling. Professionally, CM Punk is an actor, wrestler, mixed martial artist, and businessman. Professionally, Drew McIntyre is a wrestler and an author. He has written a book titled A Chosen Destiny, My Story. CM Punk started his wrestling career with IWA Mid-South Wrestling. Drew McIntyre started his wrestling career with BCW, British Championship Wrestling. CM Punk made his debut with IWA Mid-South Wrestling on 5th May 1999. Drew McIntyre made his debut with British Championship Wrestling on 20 September 2003. CM Punk's first wrestling ring name was CM Punk. Drew McIntyre's first wrestling ring name was Drew Galway. CM Punk won his first wrestling title, the IWA Mid-South Light Heavyweight Championship. Drew McIntyre won his first wrestling title, the BCW British Heavyweight Championship. Outside of WWE, CM Punk has won a total of 16 championship titles in various wrestling companies. Outside of WWE, Drew McIntyre has won a total of 15 championship titles in various wrestling companies. CM Punk made his debut in WWE World Wrestling Entertainment on 28 January 2007. Drew McIntyre made his debut in WWE World Wrestling Entertainment on 16 December 2012. CM Punk's first ring name in WWE was CM Punk. Drew McIntyre's first ring name in WWE was Drew McIntyre. CM Punk's first opponent in WWE was Justin Credible. Drew McIntyre's first opponent in WWE was Zack Ryder. CM Punk has wrestled a total of 1,775 matches to date. Drew McIntyre has wrestled a total of 1,862 matches to date. CM Punk has won a total of 1,021 matches. Drew McIntyre has won a total of 894 matches. CM Punk has lost a total of 690 matches to date. Drew McIntyre has lost a total of 913 matches to date. CM Punk has had 64 matches and in a draw. Drew McIntyre has had 55 matches and in a draw. CM Punk match winning percentage is 57.5%. Drew McIntyre match winning percentage is 48.0%. CM Punk match losing percentage is 38.9%. Drew McIntyre match losing percentage is 49.0%. CM Punk has won WWE World Tag Team Championships title once with a combined title reign of 47 days. Drew McIntyre has won WWE World Tag Team Championship title twice with a combined title reign of 84 days. CM Punk has won the World Heavyweight Championship title 3 times with a combined title reign of 160 days. Drew McIntyre has won the World Heavyweight Championship title once with a title reign of only 1 day. CM Punk has never won the WWE United States Championship. Drew McIntyre has never won the WWE United States Championship. CM Punk has won the Intercontinental Championship once with a title reign of 49 days. Drew McIntyre has won the Intercontinental Championship once with a title reign of 161 days. CM Punk has won the WWE Championship 3 times with a combined title reign of 462 days. Drew McIntyre has won the WWE Championship title twice with a combined title reign of 311 days. CM Punk's longest title reign in WWE is with the WWE Championship lasting 462 days. Drew McIntyre's longest title reign in WWE is with the WWE Championship lasting 311 days. CM Punk has won a total of 4 championship titles in WWE with a combined title reign of 718 days. Drew McIntyre has won a total of 4 championship titles in WWE with a combined title reign of 648 days. CM Punk has never won WWE main pay-per-view event, the Royal Rumble. Drew McIntyre has won WWE main pay-per-view event, the Royal Rumble, once in year 2020. CM Punk has won the Money in the Bank briefcase match once in the year 2008. Drew McIntyre has never won the Money in the Bank briefcase match. CM Punk has won a 6-man elimination chamber match once in the year 2011. Drew McIntyre has won a 6-man elimination chamber match twice in the year 2021 and 2024. CM Punk has won a Hell in a Cell match once in the year 2013. Drew McIntyre has never won a Hell in a Cell match. CM Punk has appeared as an opponent in a WrestleMania match 7 times. Drew McIntyre has appeared as an opponent in a WrestleMania matches 8 times. CM Punk has won a total of 3 WrestleMania matches. Drew McIntyre has also won a total of 3 WrestleMania matches. CM Punk has lost a total of 4 WrestleMania matches. Drew McIntyre has lost a total of 5 WrestleMania matches. CM Punk's best opponent in WrestleMania match was The Undertaker. Drew McIntyre's best opponent in a WrestleMania match was Brock Lesnar. CM Punk has been wrestling in the industry for a total of 25 years. Drew McIntyre has been wrestling in the industry for a total of 23 years. The people who train CM Punk in wrestling are Ace Steel, Danny Dominion, Dave Taylor, Fit Finlay, Kevin Quinn, and William Regal. The people who train Drew McIntyre in wrestling are Spinner McKenzie, Mark Sloan, James Tyke, and Justin Richards. CM Punk wrestling style is all-rounder. Drew McIntyre wrestling style is all-rounder. CM Punk has 4 nicknames in the wrestling ring. Number 1, the Street Edge Savior. Number 2, the Street Edge Superstar. Number 3, the Vice of the Viceless. And number 4, the Best in the World. Drew McIntyre has 5 nicknames in the wrestling ring. Number 1, the Sinister Scotsman. Number 2, the Chosen One. Number 3, the Scottish Warrior. Number 4, Thief. And number 5, the Scottish Psychopath. CM Punk entrance theme song is Cult of Personality, created by the band Living Colour for CM Punk. Drew McIntyre entrance theme song is Broken Dreams, created by James Johnston, featuring Shaman Harvest Music Band for Drew McIntyre. CM Punk catchphrase is I am the best wrestler in the world. Drew McIntyre catchphrase is I am the Scottish Warrior. CM Punk famous tagline is sometimes things don't go your way, get up and keep going. Drew McIntyre famous tagline is success is not measured by win and losses, but by the effort and heart you put into everything you do. CM Punk's first signature move is Shining Wizard Bulldog, and his second signature move is Anaconda Submission move. Drew McIntyre's first signature move is Glasgow Kiss, and his second signature move is a Red Crash Neck Breaker. CM Punk's first finisher move is City Flying Elbow Drop, and second signature move is GTS, Go to Sleep. Drew McIntyre's first finisher move is Future Shock DDT, and his second finisher move is Claymore Kick. CM Punk height is 6 feet 2 inches. Drew McIntyre height is 6 feet 5 inches. CM Punk weight is 99 kg. Drew McIntyre weight is 110 kg. CM Punk chest is 52 inches. Drew McIntyre chest is 58 inches. CM Punk waist is 34 inches. Drew McIntyre waist is 38 inches. CM Punk biceps are 18 inches. Drew McIntyre biceps are 22 inches. CM Punk eye color is forest green. Drew McIntyre eye color is whale green. CM Punk hair color is brown. Drew McIntyre hair color is black. CM Punk has a total of 52 small and big tattoos on his body. Let's discuss some of them. A straight edge tattoo on his belly in a curved shape. An Evil Virgin Mary skull tattoo on his right arm's biceps. A Pepsi and Cars tattoo on his left arm shoulder. A skull snake with flowers tattoo on his chest and arms. Drew McIntyre does not have any tattoos on his body. CM Punk official logo is Best in the World. Drew McIntyre official logo is Claymore coat of arms. CM Punk is an atheist. Drew McIntyre religion is Christianity. CM Punk zodiac sign is Scorpio. Drew McIntyre zodiac sign is Gemini. CM Punk does not smoke cigarettes. Drew McIntyre does not smoke cigarettes. CM Punk does not drink alcohol. Drew McIntyre does not drink alcohol. CM Punk hobbies are hunting, reading books, and watching horror movies. Drew McIntyre hobbies are playing with pets, playing football, gym exercise, and traveling. CM Punk knows only one language, English. Drew McIntyre knows a total of 3 languages. Number 1, English. Number 2, Gaelic. And number 3, Scots. CM Punk IQ level is 162.5. Drew McIntyre IQ level is 153.9. CM Punk favorite food is hamburger and fries. Drew McIntyre favorite food is crumble cookies and butter and almond milkshake. CM Punk favorite drink is Pepsi. Drew McIntyre favorite drink is Iron Brew, a Scottish soft drink. CM Punk favorite color is red. Drew McIntyre favorite color is black. CM Punk favorite music band is Killswitch Engage, with his favorite song being The Fire Burns. Drew McIntyre favorite music band is Dave Finlay, with his favorite song being Stand By Me. CM Punk favorite football team is FC Barcelona. Drew McIntyre favorite football team is Rangers FC. CM Punk favorite wrestler is Bret Hart. Drew McIntyre favorite wrestler is The Ultimate Warrior. CM Punk favorite movie is Night of the Living Dead, a horror movie. Drew McIntyre favorite movie is Home Alone. CM Punk favorite actor is Dan Johnson. Drew McIntyre favorite actor is Chris Hemsworth. CM Punk favorite video game is Resident Evil 4. Drew McIntyre favorite video game is Need for Speed Most Wanted. CM Punk favorite destination is Rome, Italy. Drew McIntyre favorite destination is Paris, France. CM Punk has acted in a total of 12 television shows and 5 movies to date. Drew McIntyre has acted in only 1 movie to date. CM Punk movies are number 1, Queen of the Ring, number 2, The Flintstones and WWE Stone Age SmackDown, number 3, Girl on the Third Floor, number 4, Rabbit, and number 5, Jacob's Wife. Drew McIntyre movies is The Killer Game, which will be released on 13 September 2024. This is CM Punk signature autograph. This is Drew McIntyre signature autograph. CM Punk real life best friend is Scott Colton, whose ring name is Colt Cabana. Drew McIntyre real life best friend is Stephen Fairley, whose ring name is Sheamus. CM Punk has a pet dog named Larry. Drew McIntyre has a black cat named Millie. CM Punk owns a total of 3 expensive watches. Drew McIntyre does not like wearing watches and does not own any. CM Punk most expensive watch is a Richard Mille RM035, price at $221,000. Drew McIntyre does not own any expensive watches. CM Punk has many Nike Air Jordan brand shoes. His favorite pair is the Air Jordan, a mid-TD Cleat Panda, price at $5,000. Drew McIntyre has many shoes from the Paul Sim brand. His favorite pair is the Paul Sim Count Leather Burst shoes, price at $14,000. CM Punk uses an Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max. Drew McIntyre uses a Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. CM Punk owns a total of 3 expensive cars. Drew McIntyre owns a total of 2 expensive cars. CM Punk first car is Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon, priced at $120,000. Drew McIntyre first car is Jaguar XF, priced at $55,000. CM Punk's second car is Ford Mustang Dark Horse, priced at $189,000. Drew McIntyre's second car is an Audi A6 Allroad, priced at $91,000. CM Punk's third car is 1999 Lincoln Town 2000 Creator car, priced at $18,000. CM Punk owns an expensive luxurious house in Chicago, Illinois, priced at $3.1 million. Drew McIntyre owns an expensive luxurious house in Pennsylvania, United States, priced at $2 million. CM Punk yearly salary from WWE is $1.5 million. Drew McIntyre yearly salary from WWE is $1 million. As of 2024, CM Punk overall net worth is $12 million. As of 2024, Drew McIntyre overall net worth is $4 million. CM Punk has 1.3 million followers on Instagram. Drew McIntyre has 2 million followers on Instagram. CM Punk has 87,000 followers on Twitter. Drew McIntyre has 1.2 million followers on Twitter. CM Punk does not use TikTok. Drew McIntyre has 543k followers on TikTok. CM Punk has won a total of 9 Slammy Awards. Drew McIntyre has won a total of 3 Slammy Awards. So friends, this was a complete comparison video of WWE legends CM Punk vs Drew McIntyre. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. For more informative video like this, click on the playlist card. Hit the like button and subscribe our channel vs series comparison. See you in the next video. Stay connected with us. Thanks for watching.